So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Infibeam Avenues share. So last time when we have discussed about Infibeam Avenues, so we have discussed the complete fundamentals and also what are the upcoming future prospects. So if you have not watched that particular video, definitely you can watch it. So 1 week back, we have discussed about Infibeam Avenues. So we also discussed about bonus, that is, which is the company issuing, that is 1:1 ratio. So we have not discussed the record date at that point of time. So we know that recently the company management has also released the record date regarding Infibeam Avenue share. So we'll go to that particular website, we'll download that particular PDF which was given by company, and we'll study about the date which was provided by Infibeam, and then we'll switch out the technical charts to find out the next possible levels. So about this particular bonus, we'll also see what are the major advantages and also disadvantages that may occur in the future. So make sure you watch the video till end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so we have downloaded this particular PDF. So this is the Infibeam Avenues sheet which was provided by them. So you can find this particular document in the BSE website. So directly when you go to the BSE website, if you type the company name Infibeam Avenues, so if you go down, if you see corporate actions, so in that particular section you will see all the latest updates provided by the company. So about this particular stock we were discussing even in the Telegram section. So on time to time basis, I have uploaded each and everything in Telegram as well. So people who are regularly following, so they might be having some good profit. So now first discussing about what they have discussed in this particular document. So they have mentioned about the record date. So you know that many people are asking bonus. Yes, right, 1:1 bonus is there, but when is the record date? So that is very important thing. So you can see record date is March 20th. So clearly you can see here. So on March 10th they have told that March 20 would be the record date. So note it down, March 20 is the record date. So on or that before you need to have the shares of Infibeam Avenues. So let's say example, if you have 3 shares, you will be getting 6 shares. So 1:1. So 1 share implies another one extra share, right? So 3 shares, you will be having 6 shares. So that is the meaning of bonus. So now what are the advantages and disadvantages? We'll discuss that. So quickly we'll go to the volume analysis chart, and then we'll discuss what are the advantages. Okay, so first we'll talk what are the advantages. So let's say people who are holding this particular stock from 60 rupees, 70 rupees level. So let's take an example. Let's say I am a person, I am holding Infibeam stocks from 50 rupees level. So what is the benefit? So let's say I'm holding 50 shares at 50 rupees level. So what will happen if bonus happens? We know that stock price also reduces. It gets again, let's say listed at, let's say 60 rupees. So I'll be having 10 rupees profit, and also I'll not be having 50 shares, but I'll be having 100 shares. So I have doubled my shares, and also I'm still in profit. So what are the disadvantages? So let's say you have taken at 100 rupees. So again, if bonus is issued, so you'll be having 200 shares, but the price will be at 60. So there you will have some loss. So this is the basic advantages as well as disadvantages. So many people will have a misconception that let's say I'm buying at 100, I'll have 200 shares tomorrow, so again I can exit. So that is not the scenario. You cannot exit in that easy way. So depends upon where you have taken this particular stock. So that's why I told keep averaging. So from low levels only try to accumulate. So first video when I discussed on Infibeam was near 80 rupees level. So that was the first video when we have discussed. For them it will be moderate, so neither loss or profit, but definitely from there again it will start moving up. So future wise everything is present. So digital transactions, everything for the company are going well and good. Orders are coming, so that is not a big problem. So just if you're thinking that you can exit with quick profit, so that is not the scenario. Okay, so these are the important points. Make sure you keep all these things in mind. Okay, so next when we see the volume analysis chart, so clearly you can see how the deliverable quantities are fluctuating with the traded quantity. So you can see the deliverable quantities have increased considerably. Ultimately we know that bonus issue will be there. So many people are not willing to sell, but they're trying to average. So yes or no, if you're holding at 50 rupees, you'll try to average. So maximum you will get at 70 rupees, the average price. So there again, if the share again comes there, again you will be having double shares and also profit will be present. So that is what the basic thing that all people are analyzing. So weekly average also you can see that time little bit of deliverable quantity was present and little bit of traded quantity was also there. So this particular stock is little volatile. So today also it has gone near 113 rupees level, but again it has retraced to 98, again 100. So it is little volatile. So you need to control your emotions if you are doing any sort of trading in Infibeam. Okay, next when you see returns wise, you can see 1 week, you can see roughly it was flat. So little consolidation was seen, accumulation was seen. So we know that 1 week back it has given a gap up opening. Later it has tried to fill that particular gap and it has gone sideways. And if you see 1 month 18% returns, 3 months 14, 6 months 23, 1 year 100% returns, roughly more than that. And you can see 3 years minus 35. So still potential is there. So we can see that major returns that we expected from this stock are not yet delivered. So it comes with the time as well. So patience is required. So if you keep on averaging at decent prices, you will be definitely be in profit. Now quickly we'll go to the technical charts. We'll see what are the supports as well as resistances. So okay, another important thing is indicator. So what can you see the two indicators? So one is RSI, another one is money flow index. So money flow index is near 60.3, RSI is near 58.8. So what is that? So basically we deal with two regions. So one is 20 and one is 70. So if any stock goes 20 below, it is called oversold, and if it goes 70 plus above, it is called overbought. So current you can see it is near 60, it is in mid range. So before March 20 we may see some volatility will be present. So try to handle that carefully, and if you are already invested, so definitely you will be having maximum benefit of Infibeam avenues. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So this is the 1 day chart of Infibeam avenues. So you can see whenever it gives any uptrend, it again tries to retrace. Again, it takes the support near the 50 exponential moving average, and again it goes up. So same thing, again it has gone up, again retraced, again it has tried to gone up. So this particular chart patterns I already explained to you. If you want any further detailed video, if you ask in comment section, so then only I can make. So without any information that if you're interested or not, so definitely I'll not know that, right? So if you're interested, definitely put in the comment section. So after that you can see today it has shown some volatility, but again some selling pressure was present. So now we know that since the bonus issue will happen, after that ultimately stock price also falls. So roughly it may go here near I think this region. So it may go near 80 or 70 depending upon them. So after that the bonus will be issued. So before that, if people are already invested, okay, don't have panic situation that I need to sell the stocks, hold it for long term. Have a vision. So definitely for long term it will generate the profits. So bonus for time pass nobody will issue because the company is in profit, so that's why it is issuing the bonus. So further if you're having any doubts, you can mention in the comment section. So until then, take care, bye bye.